how to configure the uScope to measure coil over plug primary current ramping. Let's set this scope up to do our coil over plug, and we're going to current ramp the primary current on this coil. And so we're going to go over here, we're going to change our probe, so we need to come over to our menu, and then we need to go to vertical, and then we want to come down to probe calibration, and then use one of the left or right arrow buttons, and we want to find 100 to 1 in amperage. So go ahead and press OK. Now we're going to navigate over to our amperage scale over here. So let's take this down and put this at 2 amps. And we want to have the time at 10 milliseconds. So we're going to bring that up. We're going to have the position at a +1 graduation from the bottom. We're going to have our trigger set to auto. And then we're going to set our trigger value at 5.76 amps. So we need to bring that up a little bit. There we are. We're going to leave our trigger on the rise. We're going to leave the trigger in the center of the screen. And we're going to leave our invert off. And then we're going to make sure our meters are on. And once again, we're going to set the meters to our pulse width. So let's come down to meters. And then let's choose this pulse width right there, pulse width duty time, and press OK. And now let's go ahead and save that by pressing the B button. Taking a note that that's 068 being saved. We can go over to the car, fine-tune any adjustments, and save a reference file with a new preset save. Because of the 100 to 1 multiplier and the selection on the amp clamp, the scale range is actually -0.2 to 1.4